So now let's see how we can work around with the ripple effect inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with ripple effect, you need to go around onto filter right here and then go around over here onto distort, and here you can see that ripple is an option. So once you go around onto ripple, you can see that you can change around the amount of ripple right here just like this, and you can change around the size of the ripple as well. For example, you can go ahead and make it small as you can see right here, or you can make it large as you can see right here just like this as well. And that is how you can work around with the ripple effect right here just like this to make it seem like you're looking through a water right here just like this. Apart from that, you can also go around over here onto distort and then go around onto shear right here. So once you go to shear, you can see that you can go ahead and then change around the shear amount right here and wrap it around as you can see right here just like this as much as you want right here. Like there's 0 right here and there's y out right here. So if I were to go around and type in more value like 700, and then it does that as well. You can also repeat the as pixels right here just like this. So this is what you have, and you can also make it a bit of curve as you can see right here apart from having it out, and then you can see that you can change around the points according to how you want right here just like this as well, and get the shear according to how you want, and the image follows accordingly. Or you can wrap around as well just like this as you can see right here just like this. And this is how you can go ahead and work around with the ripple and shear effect inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.